Hello everyone, once again I am here with you, and today I am giving you the definitions of chapter 4, 5, 6. So everyone will listen carefully, okay? So see this. There are 7 definitions I have given. Number 1 is the define habitat. Number 2 define planning. Number 3 define clause. Number 4 define apiculture. Number 5 define sericulture. Number 6 define insecticides. Number 7 pollination. So you see, first of all, habitat. What is habitat or define habitat? Both are same. You can write here. The place where a living thing lives most comfortably is called habitat. Okay, it is a place where a living thing lives most comfortably is called habitat. Now come to the next. That is the preening. See this preening. Preening means to clean the feathers and set them right. To clean the feathers and set them right. Okay. Now come to the third, claws. Claws are the long curved nails present on the feet of birds. So what are claws? Claws are the long curved nails present on the feet of the birds. Okay. So what will you write? Claws. Claws are the long curved nails. Sorry for disturbance. Now see, claws. Claws are long curved nails present on the feet of the birds. Again I am going to decide this. Claws are the long curved nails present on the feet of birds. Okay. Now come to the next definition, and the next definition is the apiculture. What is the spelling of apiculture? apiculture. Apiculture. What will you write? Rearing. rearing. Rearing or breeding. You can also write breeding. Breeding. So you will write rearing of honey bees for collection of honey is called apiculture. rearing. Rearing of honey bees for collection of honey is called apiculture. Now move to the next, that is sericulture. So what will you write? Here also you will write in the apiculture you have written rearing of honeybee. Here you will write rearing of silkworms. There you have written in the apiculture for the collection of honey, and in the sericulture you will write for getting silk. So what will you write in the sericulture? Rearing of silkworm for getting silk is called sericulture. So in this, when you will learn apiculture and sericulture, you can write definitions also. Okay. So when differences also. So when you will learn the definitions of the apiculture and sericulture, then you can also write the differences between apiculture and sericulture. Okay. Now come to the question number 6. Number 6 definition, insecticides. So what will you write here? Chemicals used to kill harmful insects are called insecticides. What will you write? Chemicals used to kill harmful insects are called insecticides. Spelling is the insecticide insecticides, insecticides, and the spelling of chemicals chemicals. Okay. Now move to the last. What is, so the last definition. This is the define pollination. 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 So what will you write here? The process of shifting of pollen grains, pollen grains from one place to another is called pollination. Okay, this is the shifting of the process of shifting of pollen grain from one place to another place is called pollination. Okay, so listen one thing that when the question will come, what is pollination? Then you can also write this definition also. Okay, so now it is clear to all of you that what you have to write when this definition will come, and it's your duty to learn and write these definitions. Number 1 habitat, number 2 preening, number 3 clause, number 4 apiculture, number 5 sericulture, number 6 insecticide, and number 7 pollination. So everyone will learn these definitions. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.